If you're spending 50 minutes a day stretching your hips and still feel tight, you're doing it wrong. Static stretching isn't enough. Instead, you need something like this. One move that may combination of mobility, flexibility, and strength. Stretching pulls on muscles, but it doesn't teach them to function in deep positions. That's why mobility training, especially Cossack Squat, is so powerful. You get active range of the motion, hip joint strength, glute activation, and hamstrings and groin flexibility. So let's jump to the exercise to show you all variations that you can use to finally open your hips.
Stand tall with your feet in a wide stance. Point your toes slightly outward for balance. Shift your weight to one leg and start bending that knee while keeping other leg straight. Push hips back and down like you're sitting into a side squat. Lower yourself until the working leg's quadriceps is at least parallel from the floor, or go deeper if your mobility allows. Keep your chest tall, core tight, and heel on the floor. Then push through the heel of the bent leg to push yourself back up.
If you have problem with the normal basic Cossack squat, try first regression of this exercise that you will see next, and after that we will add one by one progression to master this movement.
Take a medium resistant band and one side of the band place across some safe object. Another side grab with both hands and take a few steps back to feel slightly tension in band. Stand in a wide stance position. Band you can hold close to your chest or with arms extended for balance. Shift your weight to one leg and bending the knee, push hips back and down. Keep other leg straight with toes pointed up to the ceiling. Lower until your working leg quadriceps reaching parallel position from floor or deeper, depends of mobility. The band supports your balance so you can explore more depth without collapsing. Keep heel of working leg on the floor and then reverse motion and come back to the first wide stance position. We are starting with the same position, wide stance, toes slightly outward, core braced and chest tall. Shifting body weight to one side and bending the knee, pushing hips back and down. When you reach deepest position, try to sit on the floor and make internal hip rotation of working leg, moving the knee to the floor. Torso stays upright. And one more time, shift to one side, then sit on the floor, move the leg inside, outside, stand, and engaging the adductors, stand up. Place a hip-high box on the side of your body. Stand in a wide stance position and place leg on top of the box. Toes pointed up, heel on the box. If you're struggling with hip-height box, just pick one smaller. Shift your weight to standing leg. Bend that knee while pushing the hips back and down into a squat. Keep opposite leg straight. Lower until you feel comfortable stretch in adductors of leg on the box. Go as deep as your mobility allows. Hold deepest position for 4 to 5 seconds and then go back to the start position. Stand in a wide stance position with toes slightly turned outward. Take a dumbbell and hold it in front of your chest in a goblet hold. Keep the weight closer to your chest for balance. Shift your weight to one leg, bend that knee and start pushing your hips back and down. Keep your chest tall, the goblet hold will help you to stay upright. Lower as much as your mobility allows. Then push through the foot and slowly stand up to the start position. Step under the bar so it rests comfortably on your upper traps. Grip the bar and then step into a wide stance position. Stand with your feet much wider than shoulders, toes should point slightly outward, keep your core braced and chest lifted. Shift your body to one leg, slowly bend the knee and lower your hips down toward the side. Keep the other leg straight and allow the toes of the straight leg to lift up with heel grounded. Keep the barbell steady on your back, your chest upright and your heel down on the bent leg. Go as deep as your mobility allows. Keep the knee bent over the toes and pushed out. Maintain a neutral spine. Press through the heel of your bent leg and return to the start wide stand position.
Now you know the movement, but the question is, how should you train them? So here is a simple framework you can follow depending on your level. Take time and take a screenshot. Frequency is 2 to 3 times per week, and it's totally enough for big improvement. You can add them in the end of the workout, or you can use them like a warm-up before your lower body training. And one more advice for you, it's pick up 2 to 3 variations per session. Start first with assisted and bodyweight, and then over time add progressions. And to recap, why is the Cossack Squat such a game changer for your hip? Mobility with strength, hip joint health, glute and adductor activation, flexibility without collapse. And this isn't just about opening your hips. It's about building the hips that move and perform better. And that's it. You complete mastering the Cossack Squat and unlocking the true hip mobility. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I'm posting every single week the new video that will help you to train smarter. Also, drop me the comment below which variation is the most challenging for you. Let's break it together. If you want even to improve your hip faster, I recommend to watch this video next. Take care of your body and I will see you in the next one. Bye.